So I assume that you are actually participating in all this airdrop like Cartism, like Tomarket, like Cat, like Dog, different airdrop. And most of the time, whenever this airdrop is going to be launched, they are going to request for gas fee from you to actually claim your airdrop. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how you can buy ton using your local currency. Maybe you are from Nigeria, Ghana, or different country that actually participate in all those airdrop. So I will actually encourage you to watch this video from beginning to the end because I'm going to break it down step by step on how to do it. It's very simple, actually. It's very simple. And in this quick tutorial, we are going to be using Bybit for this particular purpose. So obviously, you have to get your Bybit account ready, maybe verify your identity. So if you don't have Bybit account, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to join. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this P2P option over here. So we actually want to use our Naira to actually get USDT. So that is the first thing we are supposed to do. So I'm going to click on this acknowledge over here. Then I'm going to click on this amount. So I'm going to choose the amount I have intention of buying. So I'm going to choose maybe like a 6,000 naira over here. So click on confirm. What this is going to do is to filter all those people that want to sell between the range that actually have. So as you can see, this person is online, which is Ola 865, and has completed like 3,000 orders. It has over 91% order completion rate. So this person is a good person to trade with. He's going to release our money on time. So we are going to click on buy over here. Click on buy, and I'm going to enter the amount I have intention of buying. So let's say 6,000 naira. So as you can see, we are going to receive 3.63 USDT if you're actually using this person. So click on buy over here. And as you can see, the order has been placed. The next thing we have to do right now is to click on pay to actually get the account number and instantly pay. So the particular person is using money point, so I'm going to actually copy the details and pay. So guys, I've successfully paid this particular buyer. Like, I'm going to complete the particular payment. Click on complete, and this money is going to be released. So I agree the terms and condition, then confirm. So make sure that you actually pay before actually tell them that you've paid, because if you don't pay, you might get your account suspended. So we are going to wait for a little bit, maybe 15 minutes or so, for the buyer to actually release our fund. So if you observe that it's taking longer, you can chat up with the buyer. So you can tell him that, please, can you release the fund? Please, can you release the fund? Released the fund. So obviously, I'm going to pause this video, wait for the buyer to actually release it, then we are going to see the next thing we are going to do.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for some minutes, I actually got a mail that the order has been completed. As you can see, the order has been completed, which is going to give me 3.6 USDT. So the next thing is to actually buy ton using our USDT. You know, like, we successfully convert our Naira to USDT. So the next thing is to actually buy ton. So for you to do that, we are going to click on this spot trading. So that is the first method of you actually buying ton. Then click on the trade you actually want to do. So you are going to search for ton over here. Search for ton to USD. Click on it. Then you are going to enter the amount of ton you actually want to buy. So let's assume that I want to buy 1 ton. I'm going to enter 1 ton, and it's going to give me, they are going to charge me 4.6 USDT for this particular transaction. But I don't really like using this option because it's kind of, I have to wait and wait. So the second method you can actually use is to go back completely, then come over to your asset option over here. Click on asset option, then click on convert. You are going to choose this option of convert. Then as you can see, we have BTC and USDT. But what we are going to do is to change this one to USDT. Then we are going to change to this particular one to tons. Change it to ton. Search for ton over here. It's very simple and very straightforward. So this is ton. So right now we are going to choose the amount of USDT we want to convert to ton. So let's assume that I'm doing like 2 USDT. So I'm going to get 0.42 ton. So let me do for 5. So I'm going to get 1.06. So let me go back and click on get a quote over here, then confirm. So and ton is going to be added to our balance. So if you actually want to use it for all this dread drop, you can actually transfer it from your wallet to another exchanger like Tonkeeper wallet or BitGet. So if you want to see those tutorials, I've made several tutorials about it. I'm going to drop it inside the video description for you to watch. So as you can see, let's go back to view our asset. View asset over here. As you can see, the ton has been added successfully. So let's go back to ton. So this is ton. Like this particular money has been converted to ton automatically. I hope you actually love this video. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that it will encourage me to be making simple tutorial like this about this all this exchanger like BitGet, like Bybit, like Binance, like OKS. So ensure you subscribe so that I'll be seeing all this video on my channel. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.